Hello and welcome back to Crafty Turn. I wanted to share with you today this book that I've made using Graphic 45 Seize the Day. I'm absolutely loving these papers. So I've made the front cover quite simple because I wanted to keep the design. So I've just decoupaged a second picture of this on top of the first one. I've used my little glossy accents to highlight some of the little bubbles, and I've used some glossy accents and decoupage some of the stamps. So this is an 8x8 album. It's got a ribbon closure, so I've put little pieces on the end using the Cool Katz dies, circle dies. So let me take you inside. So on the first page here, we've got a deep pocket, and I've used my very favourite rub-ons. I do love the rub-ons. And then, let's get that back in there. I've used one of the pieces of ephemera to create a little tuck pocket so that we're making the most of the space. So this page, this comes down and you've got a space there for photographs. I could have put photo slots in, but I just feel that people want to do their own thing. So here you've got a little space and then somewhere to do some writing. And then if I just move this a little bit, this lifts up again, more space, and then this lifts out and you've got more space for writing here, and then these come out and you've got more space again. So then that comes down and there's a little magnet holding that all together. All the pages in this book I do have videos for, so you can go and have a look. Bulky page there, so a simple tuck pocket page there. You can see that's just come up. I'll just put a bit of glue on that. And then on this page, my new favourite design. So we've got a little pull down, and then we've got the double reverse waterfall. Again, there is a video on my YouTube channel for that as well. Another just simple tuck pocket because we've got a bulky page there. A firm favourite with everybody, the single waterfall with plenty of space for photographs, journaling, whatever you want. Okay, again, another tuck spot, the diagonal one of my favourites. I just think it looks so good. You can alternate, but the picture here, I mean, it's just so adorable. I still want to stroke. I know they're in the book now, but I still want to stroke. I do just love these papers. So that's that one. I put photo corners on the front of this because it did look quite bare without them. And then this just pulls out and these just pull back. And I did put another little photo slot there. Again, there is a tutorial for that. Simple tuck pockets. I've made a little photo book here which fits in there. Take it out, this comes up and you've got another little tuck spot there for photographs. This opens and we've got the match, the paper match across there, and then the whole thing comes down and you've got more space for whatever you want to put in there. And there is a pocket there as well. Again, there is a video. More tuck spots, and then the end is the same as the beginning. So we've got a large one. Oh, I just loved that rub-on. I am so taken with these papers. Graphic 45 have excelled themselves with these papers. And then another tuck spot there, which if you look at the paper, it was just such a natural place to do a little cut and a little tuck spot. So I hope you've enjoyed that album. If you have, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and if you aren't already subscribed, please do. The numbers are going up and it's just so lovely and helps my channel so much. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.